Okay, here we go with M2, old M2 from OMP Hobby, flying with Radiomaster TX16S. This old baby still flies, huh? 6G mode.
Minutes. 3 meter back.
3D mode.
Oh yeah, that was the right switch.
Oh!
Mode, normal.
What happened?
2 minutes.
I hear something is hitting something. Let's land before it destroys itself. Oh, I know what happened. During that extreme fall, it actually pulled a lot of G's like this, and I didn't know. Probably I should have changed this tail rotor a long time ago. It's been a long time I didn't change tail rotor. So tail rotor broke, and I'm surprised with this half tail rotor, it actually still held its nose and heading. That's a nice gyro, man. Well, I'm very happy that still it flew and didn't crash, because honestly I don't have much parts for this old M2, and I want to keep this M2 as a good memory. It's still a very good helicopter. That's a very nice 3D. So I'm very happy that actually it leveled out and didn't crash. It didn't go into very, abrupt, uncontrollable spins because of that tail rotor broke and start hitting the tail fin, but still it was holding its heading, man. Amazing. And it still flew. Look at that, this broken tail rotor still flew and came back. Anyway, I do have the tail rotors for this helicopter, so I'm just gonna fit that. So this little mishap actually teaches us what? That before flight you must check your helicopter parts, rotors. You must check. Pre-flight checks are very important, and especially replace these parts when they are getting old, because these are like plastic parts and they can give up over time. So lesson learned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay subscribed and hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. Also, do notice that there's a channel membership alive now. So if you get the channel membership for a fraction of monthly cost, you can not only support our channel, but also you get to enjoy coolest member-only perks on my channel. Now, if you want to set up this helicopter with your Radiomaster TX16S or opentx radios, and you want to do it the lazy way, you just want to download an OTX model file and import in your Radiomaster TX16S, well, go ahead, check out the link in video description, show some love, download that file, and you can enjoy my optimum settings of this helicopter on Radiomaster TX16S instantly without doing any kind of setup. But if you want to learn to set up these helicopters with Radiomaster TX16S, I would suggest go ahead, check out my video on how to set up all direct drive 3D RC helicopters with Radiomaster TX16S. Do the setup all by yourself and take it from there, tweak the settings and enjoy flying. Once again, if you want to use my optimal settings, you are welcome to download that OTX file. The link is in video description. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.